Someone asked this question earlier today when they're like, when is it the time like you switch up your time frame and tighten it to more day trading stuff and away from the swing trading? And that would, like what you mentioned with the SPY, was like a perfect example where if like our skill set is like the swing trading, that's where the money is made. There's always going to be those small pockets of time where the day trading stuff is going to help make some money, but then you might, like in this example, you give away that really good, SPY trade because of that.
Yeah.
And like I was just talking to Ricky about this, or it's like sometimes you're better off just not trying to be involved in everything and just focus on like what works best for you.
I look at the setups and I look at the trades that they're giving us this year versus what they gave us most of last year, and then really all of 2020, the easy swing trading. It's like 20K is very hard to make in this market, where a couple years ago 20K swinging it was so ridiculously easy. And it just goes to show the difference of a good swing trading market, and this is like a good day traders market, but it's still so difficult to do. I look at like the executions that you have to make and how precise you have to be to make some real money in this market, and it's just so much more difficult than swing trading the easy times.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely holding out for those easy times. Don't want to overexhaust myself. I recommend the same for everyone else out there.